Everyone know coconut tree. Today I'm going to teach. Okay. Yes, everyone take your materials, drawing note, pencil, eraser, sketch or crayons. Okay. Write today date. Everyone write today date. Write today date. Heading coconut tree. CONUT coconut tree. Yes.
Video is
Now
not audible, ma'am.
Okay, ma. 1 minute. I will connect my mobile. Okay. Yes. Now I am going to share. Yes, ma.
Ma'am, this is what period, ma'am. Ma'am, coconut spelling COONT. Coconut.
Coconut tree. Start coconut tree. Yeah. Students, already start coconut tree. Anyone unmute and tell ma. I start already coconut tree. Yes or no? Yes, ma. Yes.
I know. Ma'am, I know coconut tree, ma'am.
Okay. Now I am going to teach. Okay. How to draw the coconut tree. Yes. Everyone take your note. Yes. Now I am going to share. Don't unmute. Okay. Don't unmute at all.
Ma'am, I don't have drawing note.
Why? 3 months over. Now we don't have
Ma'am,
drawing, right?
I be in my grandma home.
Okay,
My
ma.
drawing
Okay, ma.
note
You
is my
can do any
house,
note.
ma'am.
Can
Okay,
use
ma'am.
rough note. Okay. No issue.
Okay, ma'am.
1 second, ma. Pagalavan sir. அந்த மொபைல்ல கொஞ்சம் சவுண்ட் வால்யூம் கம்மி பண்ணுங்க. Yes, right. Take drawing note, green color sketch, pencil, yellow color sketch or crayons. Keep your 1 second, ma. 1 second. Yes. Keep your note in vertical. Okay. Keep your note in long size. Vertical. Vertically. Write today date. Write today date 6/8/2020. Coconut tree. COCONUT. Coconut tree. 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 Coconut tree. Once again, everyone write. Everyone write.
அடிச்சிருவாரி சும்மா இதுக்கெல்லாம் கல்ல தண்ணி வச்சுக்க நீ வேற ஒரு ரோதனையா இருக்கிறாரி அந்த 3/4 மணி நேரம் கிளாஸ்
Students, kindly mute yourself.
Ma'am.
Who is that? Tell me. Who is calling? Smart. Who is calling? Take care. Take.
Ma'am, I'm not have the color. Ma'am. Don't have color, ma'am.
No, and no sound, sir.
Ma'am, no sound, ma'am. Color. Take.
Students, anyone unmute and tell, am I audible or not? Yes, right?
Audible, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, mute yourself. Everyone draw one bending line like that. The stem of the coconut tree. You have to draw one more bending line to the parallel. If that who is unmuting, you have to draw one more bending line parallel to the first line. Yes, you have to stand. Have to draw like this. First finish this. Next, we will move on next. Everyone like coconut tree, right? Coconut tree parts, everyone like coconut water, grated coconut, coconut burfi, everyone like coconut product.
I want color take.
Wait, I will teach you, okay? Green color and brown color you want. Yes. Next, I'm going to draw the base of the coconut tree.
Green colors.
Yes, you finish first. Base of the coconut tree. After finish this stem, yes, you have to draw the base of the coconut tree. After finish, we will move on next. Yes. Now I am going to draw the coconut. One, how to draw the circle shape, right? You also draw the circle shape like this. Yes.
Show me
One
the colors,
coconut. Don't have color. Yes. Everyone draw the coconut like this. Draw the circle shape. The coconut tree is a member of the palm tree. Already I taught palm tree, right? Palm fruit. Yes.
I know. Yeah.
The coconut tree is a member of the palm tree.
Mama.
Coconut. What, ma? What? Tell me again. Who is talking? Tell your name first. Yes. 2C, 2D children, very good, right? Everyone mute yourself and concentrate your drawing, right? Okay. Yes. In between that, they have to draw leaves. Now I am going to draw the leaves. You also look like that. In between that, you have to draw. Once again, read ma.
Mama,
Who is that? Who is talking? 1 second. Wait, ma'am. Who is unmuting your audio? No one should mute your unmute your. Okay, ma'am. Three, mute yourself. Three, goodbye. Mute yourself. Yeah. Yep. Everyone listen the class, okay? Then only you'll do fast. Second, wait. Again, I'm going to share. Everyone finish up to this? Yes. One second, ma. Yes. You have to draw the bending line like this. I hope everyone finished this. Wait. Draw fast. Now we will move on next. First, take your green color and draw the outline. You also take your green color crayons and do like that. Students, hereafter, normal drawing means normal drawing. Yes, ma, tell me.
Not green color sketch.
No, ma, you can use green color crayons, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Use green color crayons or color pencil. Color pencil is very good. Color pencil is good. Yes. You also take your color pencil and or crayons and do like that. Give the outline like that. You have to draw the bunch of coconuts. One tree gave around 30 coconuts. Yes. Next, we want. Next. Hope everyone finished this. Take your brown color and draw the stem part. Here I used color pencil. You also take your color pencil or crayons or sketch and do the. The coconut tree is a member of the palm tree family. The coconut water gives more energy to us. It is one of the most useful tree in the world. Whatever picture you have to draw, you learn about that picture. Okay, learn according to the picture. For example, coconut tree means you have to learn how to draw the coconut tree, what are the parts of the coconut tree, what are the uses of coconut tree parts. Okay. Coconut tree parts coconut contain food rich in calories, vitamins and minerals. Vitamins and minerals. End of the class, I will ask the question and you want to write about coconut tree, okay? Any 5 sentences or 3 sentences you should write. Yes. Take your brown color pencil and shade like this. Give the dark shade. Give the dark shade like this. Next, same pencil, but you have to do light shade. Keep your pencil, hold your pencil slantingly, hold your pencil slantingly, flat your pencil tip and give the shade like this. You have to use the same direction, okay? Don't do here and there. I used up and down direction only, so that you also use up and down direction. Do slowly. If you have dark color brown or light brown, you can use any brown color. Whenever you're getting time, you have to draw the coconut tree like that and give the paint, brown color paint. You have to practice. Already I taught how to mix the paint, how to make paint. If you want brown color means you can mix coffee powder. Green color means you have to mix any green leaves powder or green color powder, kesari powder. You can mix and paint it. Everyone draw neatly, give the outline dark, with a dark outline. Okay. Here, dried coconut flesh is called copra. Dried coconut flesh. You have to put the line like this, slightly bend and put. Give the dark shade. Dried coconut flesh is called copra. Copra. Okay, now I am going to teach what are the parts of the coconut tree. Coconut tree have 9 parts. Number 1, husk. Number 2, shell, coconut shell, right? Number 3, flesh. Yeah, coconut flesh. Number 4, water. Next, leaves. Next, heart. Next, inflorescence. Next, trunk. You can remember any 5, okay? Any 5 parts of the coconut tree. Yes. Now, take your green color pencil and put the bending line like this. See, listen carefully. You have to put the bending line according to the main line. Yes. Same direction you have to put the line. Don't put the straight line, okay? That is not looking nice. You have to bend and put. Same direction you have to put the bending line, right? Yes, this is coconut, coconut leaves. In that leaf, we can make broom, okay? Everyone have in your home, broom, coconut broom. Coconut tree broom are made up of coconut tree leaves. Same like that, you have to put all the bending lines. Yes, same direction you have to put the bending line. Don't put the straight line. What are the parts of coconut tree? Husk, shell, coconut shell, flesh, water, leaves, heart, inflorescence, the trunk. The trunk. Yes. Next, the uses of coconut tree. Coconut tree parts. Uses of coconut tree parts. Okay. Flesh. Coconut flesh used for making food, milk and flour. Yeah, coconut milk, right? It's a very good side dish for appam, idiyappam like that. Yes. Coconut water, coconut milk. Yes. Flesh are used to make food, milk, coconut milk, and flour. Yes. Some grated coconuts are used for a bakery, right? So many sweets. Over the sweets, they can spread the coconut powder, grated coconut powder, dried. Take light green color and give the color like that. This is coconut. Next, coconut water is used to a healthy, refreshing drink. A healthy, refreshing drink. Take green color crayons and give the shade like this. Then only you'll get the. Who is calling? Coconut
drawing.
water. Healthy. One second, ma'am. Healthy, refreshing drink. Coconut water is a healthy, refreshing drink. Oil, oil, oil for cooking. Oil used for cooking. Skin glowing also. We can use coconut oil. Next, hair oil. Yes. Next, shell. Coconut shells are used to steam, very good, steam food and craft making. Craft making also we can use the coconut shell, right? So many of using. Yes. Next, husks. Husks are used to prepare a natural scrubber and craft material. And also used to craft materials, to make craft materials. Then ropes also can prepare from husk, coconut husk. Sticks, next sticks. Already I taught sticks, coconut sticks are used to make brooms. Brooms means todapam. Okay, ba? Everyone have in your home. Yes. Leaves. Coconut leaves. Everyone finish? Leaves. Coconut leaves are used to make thatching roof. Roof. So many in
From starting,
what ma? Thatching roof.
keep it.
Yeah. Once again, mute yourself ma. Thatching roof. Okay, the roof. So many in olden days, so many houses have thatching roof. Roof. Yes. What ma? Tell me your doubt. Da. Tell me now. What's your
For the
doubt?
video, little bit front.
Oh, okay, ma. Okay. Again, you want to show.
Before.
Okay, okay. Half only we will. No, okay. Finish fast. Uh, coconut parts are used to food. Fuel. Fuel means fuel means viragu. Okay, ma. Yes. Cosmetics for making cosmetics. Cosmetics. Medicine. Medicine and building materials. Tell me, ma. End of the class. Everyone wants to write the uses of coconut tree and parts of coconut tree. Okay, you write about coconut tree. Write 5 sentences about coconut tree. Hereafter, no one should say, ma'am, I don't know how to draw the coconut tree, ma'am. Everyone take your drawing note and draw something, okay? Draw like that and practice and color it nicely and send it to me. Everyone know Atman number, right? 2C and 2D.
Am I finished? School group now.
Yes, ma, yes, ma. Next week onwards, you have to upload in your MVM app, okay? I will update MVM app in second standard. I will inform you. After that, you can upload in your
In what? Am I
Yes, ma, yes.
finished?
Okay, ma. Okay, wait. Yes. I have to do like this. Next, not finished upper part. Let's we go lower part. Under the coconut tree, you have to draw some grasses. You have to draw some grasses. Have to draw some grasses. Take green color pencil or crayons or sketches, and you have to put the line, slanting line like this. Yes. Just you have to put the line, slightly overlap and put. That gives natural effect. I hope everyone like this coconut tree. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone like art class, ma? Everyone enjoy this class? Did you enjoy this art class?
Yes, ma'am.
If you want,
Very happy,
okay.
ma'am. By Shanika. Ma'am, I love this class.
Thank you so much. Yes, very good children, very good. I am also very happy, okay? I am also very happy to teach you.
Very happy, ma'am.
Very good, okay. This is a hobby class, okay? Don't get hurry, don't get tense. Every day sit, relax and do the art. If you are keep on doing like this means you will get more imagination. You can create more designs, right? Okay. One day take flower theme. You have to draw different flowers like that. Okay. Another one day you take plants, grasses. You have to draw different varieties of plants, grasses like that. You take one day you take any theme and draw. Another one day you take one leaves theme. You have to draw varieties of leaves and color it. Give the mixing color, light green and dark green and yellow mixing. Another one day you take tree. You have to draw different trees and give the color. Okay. Every day you have to do like this. In future, everyone becomes to artist. Okay. Okay. Say yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone becomes a good artist. Okay. Best artist. Yes. Yes. We will. Okay, ma. Finish.
Finish, ma'am.
Video. Yes. Okay. Those who are finished. Okay, ma. Those who are finished, everyone write under the coconut tree. Yes, you have to write 5 sentences about coconut tree. Whatever you want to write. Whatever comes in your mind, you have to write in your own. Don't ask your mother's help. You have to write. Right or wrong, no problem, no issues. Okay. Whatever comes in your mind about coconut tree, you have to write. Yes. What are the parts of, write any 5 parts of the coconut tree. Coconut tree have 5 parts like such as, write the names. Next point, uses of coconut tree is for making food, refreshing drink, hair oil, skin, steam and craft, brooms, thatching roof, so many uses. That's why coconut tree is called the most useful trees in the world. Coconut tree is called as tree of life. Tree of life. Very important. All the parts are using. Very useful. Okay. Now I'm going to stop my video. Yes. Okay, now show your pictures, ma. Only 5 minutes. Yes. Everyone show fast. Adrit, show me. Those who are getting appreciation, you can leave the class, okay? Yes. Show your picture, ma. Everyone unmute and show your picture. Yes, Bhavadarini. Wow, very good, Bhavadarini. Very Bhavadarini. Beautiful Yudhisha.
அதே இது பண்ணிட்டேன் I'm Sanjana.
அங்க பாரு
I'm Sanjana.
பாக்குறது இல்லையா
மூஞ்சி காட்டு
அது பெரிய தானே தெரியும்
அவனுக்கே உடம்பு சரி சொல்லு
I'm Sanjana.
Roshni, very good.
I'm Sanjana.
Surya.
அவங்க பேர் ரெடி
Surya. Picture guys. Can you able to everyone done well. Everyone done well. Everyone done well.
Ma'am, Udisha. I'm Sanjana.
Sanjana.
I'm Sanjana.
Wait.
சஞ்சீவோட ஒண்ணு ஸ்கூல்ல இருக்குடா சூப்பரா இருந்துச்சுல ஒண்ணு அங்க பாரு நீயே பாரு பாரு
மேம் வேற வீடியோல இருக்காங்க நம்மளும் என்ன மேம்
நீ வேப்பிடுற சரிதா
அது பாரு எல்லாத்தோட ஒண்ணு சூப்பரா தான் இருக்கு நல்லா இருக்குப்பா நீ காமி பாரு
அங்க பாரு மேம் பண்ணதோட அவனோடது கொஞ்சம் அழகா இருக்கு
அவன் வேற கலர்ல பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கான் இது சஞ்சீவ் சகாது சூப்பரா இருக்கு நீ பொண்ணா காமிச்சு இங்க பாரு நீ வந்து இதுல பாரு இங்க பாரு உன்னோடது பாரு அழகா இருக்கா இல்லையான்னு ஏன் அழகா இல்ல